from Davao, Mindanao, North, South, East, and West. This is Gilbert Lopez Martica. So, welcome sa Pinoy Rab YouTube channel. Andito tayo ngayon sa Crocodile Park. Titignan natin yung mga magagandang amenities po dito. Rob is there, Karen, Sol, and sister. So, let's get inside. Oh, ito yung buhaya, guys. This is the buhaya thing. It's a crocodile skeleton. And here is the back. You know. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. And upstairs, look at that. It's a leather. Whew. That is his skin. Yeah, skin of the crocodile. And I think somebody is something is alive in here. Oh, there's the rattlesnake. Yeah, it's a snake. Oh, whoa! How good is the color? Oh, corn snake. The other one. Corn snake. Oh yeah. And there is it.
Wala ang snake.
Naana gatago.
Deer. Moon.
Wow. Leopard. Gecko. But where is he? At the back.
He's hiding.
He knows that we're coming. So he's hiding. Here. Toko.
It's a toko. No, it's not. It's not
Toko. Okay. Alright guys, we are now. Oh, here's the crocs. Oh, there is it. Here's the croc. It's a big croc. Hey. Wow. How big is that, guys? Oh my God. It can consume a one. Whew. The smell is stinky. It's big, Rob.
I know.
It can really break your leg.
What did he say? He said something to us. Oh, cartoon show. Let's go.
Oh, cartoon show. Ah, okay. Never mind. Only kids loves to see cartoon.
How old is that?
Oh, it's bigger than here. It stinks. Malangsa, guys. Oo, 50 na. Ito na si Samad, no? Kanang puti. Samad na niya ba?
Samad siya?
Kanang puti, oh. Samad na. Wow. Imagine mo ni mo ito sa bukid, no? Sa mga swamp area. Wow.
It will eat you.
Wow. That's wonderful. And there is the fingerlings. Fingerlings. Oh, mga putol na silang mga ikog, guys. Wala na po silang mga buntot.
Ayan guys.
Kasi yung mga buntot nila, kinain ng kapwa nila. Yan.
Nakaman. Ako na buntot.
Yan, walang buntot, oh. Yan na, walang buntot.
No pin.
Pen, 3. Babalik tayo mamaya dyan. Lang isa nga eh.
I don't like the smell.
Oh, gidevelop na gano'n. But unfortunately, si Sir Kuan, si Sir ito, medyo malaki-laki na guys, oh. Nagmimik lang. Walang kilos. Pero pag may lalapit dyan guys na ano, na pagkain, dadakmain niya yan. There, oh. Oh, let's go in there. Hey!
The first ladies of Sulu, and is for the London dance of Tausu Curry.
From Sulu.
Nakatawa kay tanda kailanman lumalo. Di mamaya imbalo, iyang bangot inoon. Aroy harap ng mga simento, sumay kulong are. Oh, isla
Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Let us now witness the parade of the Animal Ambassador.
Dito igan. Lapay.
A round of applause for the parade of the Animal Ambassador. Hi!
Hello!
Hi!
Hello!
Hello!
Hi!
More energy, more power. Hi!
Hi!
Ayun, mabuhay po po. Welcome to Davao from the Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. By the way, my name is June and I will be your host in this morning po. Now, a quick background information about Davao from the Park and Zoo. Davao from the Park and Zoo is a private rescue center for endangered and wild animals. And we have been preserving these animals since 2005. We are in coordination with the DPNR, DOT, and BANAM. Now, as a way of saying thank you for being with us in this strong Olympic morning, we brought you the show where you will meet our animal ambassadors and get your free selfie after the show. But before that, I have a friendly reminders for you to follow muna, okay? Una sa mga nakatayo po, upo lang po tayo guys. And guys, do not attempt to touch our animals while the show is ongoing po. Second, to those who are eating, I'm so sorry but kindly finish it up or finish it later after the show. And lastly, to those who want to make photos or videos of our animals, bawal po ang camera. Joke lang po, pwede po, but kindly disable lang po sa flash. Because our animals are light sensitive, so double check lang po natin ang ating mga camera, okay? Now, the reason why we call them the animal ambassador is because they represent their own kind and the rest of the animal kingdom to give you a message, and that is to protect, to preserve and conserve, and do not destroy their habitats. That's why please help us in our mission in conserving them. Once again, we are still working with wild animals po. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior at all time. And because the let it go. Again, once again, happy New Year po sa ating lahat. Palakpakan po namin yung ating okay? And ready na po ang ating first animal ambassador. The question is, are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors?
Yeah!
More power, more energy. Are you ready to meet our first animal ambassadors?
Yeah!
Ayun, ready na po ang ating mga bisita, mga kuya. Yan, atin ang tatawagin. Ang cute na si Mikmik, our Brahminican. Kaya sana si Mikmik? Ayan. Okay, tayo po muna natin si Mikmik, ha?
Wow, galing!
Alright, okay. William Troy, once again, we are still working with wild animals po. As much as we want to train them, we do want to change their behavior. So, Mikmik, sabi na Roy, punta ka na kay Kuya Michael mo, Roy. Sige, tayo na muna natin si Mikmik, ha? Naman kapunta siya kay Kuya Michael mo. Ayan, Mikmik.
Galing!
And there you go. Also known as the bird. You know that Brahmin kites are the birds of prey or raptor. Raptor came from the Latin word rapir, meaning to seize or to run away. As you notice po, Kuya Michael natin wearing protective gloves because all raptors have sharp and powerful talons. Raptors guys practice food parasitism. Food parasitism is stealing the foods from the other animals po. So, nangunguha sila ng pagkain from the other animals. By the way, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptor. But here in Davao, Provincial Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors po. Namely, the Brahmin kite, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, and the grass owl. And that's all for our raptor po. Palakpakan po natin sila. And syempre, ang kanyang poging kuya, na si Kuya Michael po. Okay, bumikon na agad tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. Makulay po ito and galing po dito ng Brazil, particularly the Amazon forest. Now, may we call on Barak. Our viewing book na po, si Kuya Gucci. Nagpa-pieces pa kuya? Ayun mga kiddos, napitan po natin si Kuya Gucci kung may pa-pieces tayo. I-feed natin sa barak, okay? Ayun, napitan natin si Kuya Gucci. Ayan, sa mga hindi mabigyan ng seeds. Ayan, later on after the show, may animal petting po tayo, okay? Ayan, i-feed natin si barak. Don't worry po, barak won't bite you naman, okay? Once again, that is Barak, our green gold ako, which is the name of Ararala, meaning genius. So why do we call them geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child po. So magkasing talino lang ni Barak, ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. And like most other parents guys, si Barak ay yung tinatawag na zygodactyl. What is zygodactyl nga ba? Ipapakita yan ni Barak using a Filipino footwear called Kadaw. Ayan, Barak. Yan, suot na boy and Morcha. Right. That is zygodactyl in action. In the back, allowing them to grab items so much of the way. Right, left, right, and baba. At dahil yan mga may pa-high five si Kuya Gucci sa'yo boy. High five! Ayan, tara, high five. Ayan, at syempre, malambing din po si Barak, folks. Ayan, Barak. Please daw kay Kuya Gucci mo, bet. Please daw, boy. Ha? Sa kabilang Disney naman, Kuya Gucci. Sa kabilang Disney. Barak, please daw kay Barak, Kuya Gucci, bet. But did you know that Barak is an eco-warrior kid who didn't segregate their trash? Sino hindi pa nagsasegregate ng kanilang mga basura? Si Sir, si Ate, si Ma'am. Hindi ba hindi nagsasegregate? Ayun natin to worry about po dahil ngayong umaga. Tuturuan tayo ni Barak kung paano mag-segregate ng ating mga basura. So ano ang nandiyan kuya? Ayan, we have biodegradable bin or nabubulok po. Check ka ni Barak. Barak ang gumagana. Ayun, gumagana na po. And syempre, we also have a non-biodegradable bin or hindi nabubulok po. At Barak, i-check mo ulit yung isa. Ayan. Ang mukhang gumagana. Ready na ba si Barak kuya? And ready na po. At the count of 3, lapat ang basura. 1, 2, 3, and go. So ano ulang muli ni Barak? A piece of plastic which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. Syempre, a piece of plastic pa rin which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. At dalawa nilang boy, a piece of leaf or dahon which is gonna go to the biodegradable bin. At taas na lang boy, a piece of leaf or dahon which is gonna go to the biodegradable bin. Palakpakan po natin si Barak po. Kasi guys, kung alam mo ni Barak mag-segregate ng ating mga basura, kaya din po natin, okay? Ayan, at dahil galing mo ng Brazil si Barak, magpapaalam na po siya. So mga ate, mga kuya, wave bye-bye kay Barak. Folks, wave bye-bye! Barak! Mag-bye-bye nila po eh! Barak! Hindi ka sa kanila po eh! Mag-bye-bye nila po! Barak! Barak! Ibig sabihin yan po, gusto pa po ni Barak mag-stay sa show. But we need to highlight our other animal ambassador, Barak, okay? Ang palakpakan po natin si Barak. At syempre, ang kanyang poging kuya na si Kuya Gucci po. Okay, o nagad tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. Jake Holdam, the alarm clock of the rainforest. Dakalaw. Nasa ako ng grupos Hornbill, na si Mr. Bill. And here na po, at syempre. And ito na natin yung kanyang younger brother, na si JJ. And folks, ilayin muna natin si JJ, ha? Ayan. And there you go, that is JJ. And Mr. Bill, our Southern Brooks Hornbill, also known as the Dakalaw, with the scientific name of Bucerus libanensis. meaning dati ni Mindanao, and Ansis meaning belonging to. Therefore, belonging to Mindanao, as you can see po, their bills or ang kanilang mga dala, it comprises 30% of its body. And also, they have a long and beautiful eyelashes po. So ngayong umaga, magpapakita nila sila gamit ang kanilang mga dala. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna, okay? Ayan, at the count of 3, we need to shout like, let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and... Like, once again, more power, more energy. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Yun, at mukhang ready na po ang ating mga bisita, mga kuya. Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw? Now folks, at the count of 3, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang po. 1, 2, 3, and...
Wow, galing!
Mr. Bill and JJ. Now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they are actually in mating season. So laging ikaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. So mas maraming insekto na na-catch si lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni anti-bird na kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana all talaga folks no, my forever. Ayan sa mga single ladies natin out there, kung naghahanap kayo ng forever. Alam na natin, nandito lang ang...
Kalaw.
Pwede din po sa ating dalawang kuya. Ay, joke lang po. Once again, magpapakita na nila sila. At the count of 3, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. 1, 2, 3, and... Alice Busurio and JJ, our South Bucus hornbill, also known as the Kalaw, the alarm clock of the rainforest, because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin sila. And syempre ang kailang mga poging kuya, na sila Kuya Siren and Kuya Michael po. By the way, fun facts about hornbills, unlike most birds walk from place to place, hornbills actually hop from place to place or tumatalon sila as their secondary means of locomotion. Now, let's proceed na sa ating next animal ambassador. Kung makulay po ang ating mga previous animal ambassador, puti-puti po ang susunod nating tatawagin. Now, may we call on Jumbo. And there you go, that is Jumbo, our umbrella-crested cattle, with a scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. And did you know that one of the reasons of global warming is due to our pollution coming from our transportation? And this morning, Jumbo will show us how to lessen our carbon footprints using a ding 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 bicycle. Ayan, Jumbo. At kaya may sikat yung po ng pang-transportation. Makakalimuso. Sikat yung po. And ayun, dapat ako ito kung mahulog ka. Ngayon sa mga kids natin or maybe sa ating mga agaw who still don't know how to ride a bicycle. Nating tuwa niya ako po. Dahil tuturuan din po tayo ng Jumbo how to ride a ding 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 scooter. Ayan, Jumbo. Sakay po yan. Ay, lambaran mo po. Ay, tama na rin nakamahuli ka sa people. You see, guys, even our animals are love to help our mother nature. You can also be required by doing the reduce, reuse, recycle, and repurpose, and some of the waste for your transportation. And that's all for Jumbo po. Malakpakan po natin si Jumbo. At syempre ang kanyang kuya na si Kuya Gucci. But then folks, here in Davao Tropical Park in Zoo, we have 4 species of cactus po. First is the sulfur-crested kakadu. Second is the umbrella-crested kakadu, which is si Jumbo. Third is the black palm cactus po. And fourth is the Bulacan cactus. Okay, moving on agad tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. But we 3 in 1 po. But before that, I have a question. Okay, first question. What animal is believed to have 9 lives? Cat, pusa, perfect. Okay, if Minnie is mouse, Donald is that. What animal is Winnie? Sino na sabi lang po?
Bear.
Anong po guys? May po na hayop? Anong klase ng hayop dito?
Bear.
Bear po siya nga, okay? Ay, si Winnie. Hindi siya po. Okay, walang hayop na po. Okay, last question. Anong tawag sa hayop na kamukha ng katabi mo ngayon?
Ah.
Kami mo ba? Pero tama po kayo kanina, okay? Our next animal ambassador, he has a face like a cat, a body like a bear, and a very impressive tail, like a monkey. Now may I direct your attention to your left side? And that is Daddy, our Palawan bear cat. Ayun, tayo muna natin si Daddy folks ha. Ayan. Daddy, ready ka na ba boy? And down na boy. Very folks, that is Daddy, our Palawan bear cat. We decided to name up our Tictis Binto, or locally known as Binto po. And did you know that bird tail can act as a victim or a prehensile in nature? The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga objects na kasindalingan ng ating mga kamay ngayong umaga. Ayan, ipakita mo yan, Daddy. Ayan, naghihintay na sila sa boy, sila Mami Sir. Ayan, Daddy, ready ka na ba, boy? Ayan, hindi muna natin ang mga pwesto si Daddy. Ayan, and down na, boy. And there you go. That is prehensile in action po. They're doing that well to grab some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Daddy ko. Now, I direct your attention to your right side ka naman. And that is Uno, the older brother of Daddy ko. Okay, tayo muna natin si Uno na makakababa siya sa kanyang stage po. Ayan, so the reason that there is bear in the name is because they are capable of standing in two hind legs. At ipakita mo yung Uno, and there you go, that is two hind legs in action po. Very good. Palawan bear cats are endemic here in the Philippines, meaning dito lang po sila sa Pilipinas makikita, specifically in Palawan po. And also, their poop and their feet actually smells like a fresh popcorn. Yan po kung tuupin sila, pero huwag na po natin napitan. Baka makagat pa kayo, magka-issue pa tayo, but we promise you po, their poop and their feet actually smells like a fresh popcorn. Omnivores kaya sila, kumakain sila ng gulay, and gulay, prutas at tanet ngayong umaga. Kaya Michael, ano yung pinapakain mo kuya? Ano yan guys? Saging, banana, which is good. Omnivores kaya sila ha? May tanong ulit ako sa inyo folks. Anong tawag sa hayop na kumakain lang ng herbs and grasses?
Herbivorous.
Herbivore, perfect! How about meat and carne?
Carnivore.
Carnivore, perfect! How about herbs, grasses, and carne? Omnivores, perfect! Ayan daw guys, so last question natin. Anong tawag sa hayop na kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas? Wala nakakalam?
Tao.
Hindi omnivores ha? Hindi rin carnivore yung atin, ituruan mo kita ate. Okay? Ano yun ate? Anong tawag sa hayop na kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas?
Herbivore.
Ano yun guys? Frugivore. Frugivore po ang tawag sa mga hayop na kumakain lang ng fruits. Palakpakan po natin si Abby po. Frugivore, fruits, voravorous, meaning eater po. At mukha nakabalik na si Daddy at si Ulo. Ayan. Okay, let's proceed na sa ating last animal ambassador. Ay, sa mga inaantog dyan, mawawala talaga yung mga ating guys. Ito yung artista sa ating folks. Ito yung pinipilian at pinagbibiliwan ng ating mga kababaihan. Kaya ba ang wait for that? Kaya sina Piolo and Daniel. Piolo? Daniel?
Ganyan.
Manny?
Money.
Who are you with? Family, natin yung family mo. Family! May regalo po kami kay Mami. say a lot of photos and videos kay Ma'am. Please pag may video ng mga pag... Ayun. Tawagin ka na ba din, ma'am? Family, say a lot of photos and videos kay Ma'am. Ma'am, ito. Pagkating kuya. Say a lot of photos and videos. So mga hindi pa pamilya natin tomorrow about after our show, may animal candy tayo. Okay na, family, okay na ba? Okay na daw po. Hindi na natin kayo sa akin kung naiiwakan na sila. Kunin na natin. Ay, okay ka lang ba, ma'am? Kunin na natin sa kanila. Ma'am, thank you for participating in our show. So, palakpakan po natin. Ay, napakatapan. See guys, during Davao Crocodile Park is when we have a mission, and that is to protect, to preserve, and educate people about this lovely animal. The Mona Davao Beverage facility, you are not just need to take some photos or videos of our animal. You are already helping us with our mission, that's why a round of applause for yourselves, please. Ayan, kilalanin muna natin ang ating mga nagwawakwang trainer. As we are excited, and we are Gucci Snake, and syempre ang ating moving tour guide, the DJ, and we are Kenji, we are feedback, and we are like the good one ang ating task. By the way, folks, my name is June, and we are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Mabuhay ba na yaw? Magandang salamat sa inyong panahon.
Alright guys,
Kanina sa mga gustong magpa-picture sa
katatapos lang ng ng show.
lapitan lang po
Magandang
natin
show.
ang ating mga
Worth it.
po. And kung gusto niyo po
Congratulations.
magpa-picture sa snake,
The one is moving. There it is. See, it's moving.
Na, bye-bye!
kung mga bisita po natin na gusto magbigay ng tip, i-ang box po like our best number. When we love, magandang salamat.
Daming magaganda guys dito guys. Oh, it's a python. It's a big python.
Ay, nabitin, oh. Naku, naligo niyo, naligo. Ito, naligo. Maritay ko.
It's mimicking. Oh, it's bigger around here. It's very big, very huge. This croc is mimicking. He's not moving, but he is there, waiting for some prey. And there also. Wow. Let's move, guys. It's all snakes around here. Oh, this is a palm exhibit. Parang we call it Milo. I think it's Milo, yes. Milo na.
Bigat.
Kibet nga.
Bigat there.
Milo gani no? Oh, it's lion. Ay, tiger.
Lion, big cats.
Hindi sila ibalhin kung iligo sila. Oh. Wow. Pero dito pwede makaadto dito ng lugar kay kaliguanan man nila. Oh, it's a big cat. It's a tiger. Wow, how awesome is this place? Right guys, let's move around. Wow. Oh, there is it. This wild boar is wala ng paa. Footless. Putol yung paa. And there's the bigger one there. So they place them here because they need also to be, you know, to sunbathing. Oh, there's a wild sheep or wild goat here. Oh, it's a sheep. Masarap yung ano, masarap yung sheep. Oh, it's the peacock.
Take a picture of this.
Here's the peacock.
Dili lagi na. Ayaw lang gud pag wait, dili. Kaya lang ka oh. Ano lang.
Karen, look up.
Watch out.
Try ka na paano? Madlock ka? Hello, how are you?
Oh, there. Oh, they breed.
Blur di mo natin.
Yan, manuhak na.
O, di na siya mag-eat.
Oh, gustong pagkain.
Ito ng french fries?
McDonald's gusto niya. I think they are breeding.
Your eyes. Be careful on your eyes.
They are breeding. Wow. Ostrich. Marami ito guys sa sa Africa. Pero dinala talaga dito guys. We don't have it here in the Philippines but they fed it. Sanay talaga sila. Hinihintay nila yung magbibigay ka ng pagkain.
Basig imuhang mata daw, ano nila nga pagkain.
Kaya nga, hindi, wala.
No.
No food, no food,
Ano pa siya? Kaon ko.
no food. Nakakaintindi pala ng English Bisaya na to. Way pagkaon, o ayaw. English speaking siya. Galing Wow. Are we running out of time, Rob? Guys, it's noon time already. It's a lunch time, but we're still here in the snacks area. And of course, oh, thank you. Wow, thank you very much. It's yours, it's mine, whatever. Mamaya-maya, punta tayo ng Arroyo. Yan muna natin. Babalik muna kami sa hotel, then magbibihis again. Then, ayan. Si Rob lang yata ang hindi makakapag-uniform nito kasi walang magkasya. 4 na X yata siya 4 na X. Ayan po.
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news, and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.